Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Software Computer Academy Hassan. Now let us understand this program. Python program to display following pattern, that too without using looping statements. Star patterns are like this. This is first row, this is second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row. That is, there are 5 rows are there. Like as that, this is first column, second column, third column, fourth column and fifth column. Totally 5 rows are there and 5 columns are there. Then directly move on to Python programming, where within the print statement there are 5 stars are there. Let us execute this program. We got 5 stars in a single row, but we required further 4 rows, so that let us place the same set of instruction further 4 times. 2, 3, 4, 5. Then let us execute this program. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 5 rows. Each and every row consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 stars. So that we got the required result.